Hey guys! So today's video is going to be a really quick get ready with me. I am actually getting ready to go out. I'm going Christmas shopping with my mom right now and I'm late. So I just really wanted to film this because I cannot believe December is already over. Christmas is just in a couple days and I haven't made any Christmas videos and I'm so upset about this. I've had no time. I've been so busy. Time has just gone by so fast. I can't believe we're already almost into the new year. I should probably take these off because you probably can see the lights, and now I am blind. I don't want to put in my contacts because I'm going to be wearing them. Anyway, I hope this month has been going really well for all of you, and I really want to say thank you so much for everyone that has been subscribing. I'm over 650 subscribers now. I can't believe it. I think I'm close to 675. I can't believe that. So thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Thank you so much. So let's get ready. This is just gonna be my really quick everyday I gotta hurry up face. This is just what I've been doing lately. So yes, all right. So first, oh crap, I didn't moisturize. First, I know I kind of do it backwards, but I'm going to put mascara on. And I'm gonna curl with a Tarte eyelash curler. I really cannot see, so I need to pull this in closer. I'm sorry. I can't see! Okay, so now my two favorite mascaras, Benefit They're Real and Benefit Roller Lash. I always start with the They're Real. I don't know why. Okay, mascara is on because I always get mascara on my eyelids. I am taking one of my favorite eye makeup removers. This is the Almay eye makeup remover and just some Q-tips, and I just like to clean up just a little bit. Usually I have the Almay click stick Q-tip things, but I think I'm out of those. I can't find them. I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. This is the purple one, pore minimizing. I'm actually not really liking this anymore. I don't know. It might be because this is really old. Because I normally really like Smashbox primers. I don't know. I just really want to try a different one. Maybe not one that's so silicone-y. I heard that the Too Faced one, I forget the name, but something Too Faced in it, there's no silicone in it, and I heard that one's amazing, like the Rescue, something Rescue, I don't know, but this is all I got for right now, so it will do. I just like to press it into my skin, and with this, it's best to pat, because if you rub with this, it kind of balls up and it just, I don't know, it doesn't work. Okay, the camera cut off, but I have already started to apply my foundation. I'm still using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, the Illumination one. I'm in Fair, and I'm using a damp beauty blender. Okay, let's continue. Okay, concealer. I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in in Vanilla. This is so almost gone. I'm scraping the sides. Okay, and then I go in with just a tiny bit of the Shape Tape and I just dot it. and that's good because this stuff goes such a long way. Now, powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm taking my Real Techniques setting brush. I just washed my brushes too. They were beyond dirty. So bad. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance in Champagne. I am not really using this as a primer. I'm using this as an eyeshadow. I absolutely love it. It's like a cream. It's so pretty that it can be used alone just as a really pretty, like, shimmery champagne color. It's so nice. I love it. And I just take the Real Techniques detailer brush, and it's perfect. And I just put it just all over my lid. And it's perfect because it is an eyeshadow primer, so it's not going to crease. It's just going to stay put all day. I love it. Bronzer contour, I'm using the Hula Light by Benefit. I absolutely love this. And I'm using the Real Techniques Duo Fiber Face Brush. It's kind of like a nice shape to kind of get right in there. It smells so good. Under the jawline, girl. Okay, blush is Benefit Dandelion. This is just a little baby one. I really love this blush. It's like a really natural, like, pinky glow with the Real Techniques blush brush. I'm using one of my favorite lip balm treatments, but this is in a stick form. This is the Bite Agave lip mask, but it's in a cute little, like, chapstick. Love it. Okay, eyebrows. I'm using, oh wait, actually first, I'm gonna blend everything with just the Real Techniques powder brush. Just make sure I'm not looking crazy. Brows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Blonde. Okay. I may have to pull this closer. I'm really sorry about this. I'm just making, like, really light strokes, mimicking hair with a super light hand in the front, and then more of a heavier hand through the middle and the end. Okie dokie. And then I take the other end, the spoolie, and, like, blend it all together. And then I like to take Benefit Gimme Brow in #1, and it kind of, like, fluffs up my brows, kind of gives my brows more of more hair, kind of. This is just a little mini size. I need to get a full size of it because I really, really like it. At first I was like, this is, what the hell? But now I really like it. Kind of let it dry just a tiny bit, and then I go my last step with the Anastasia clear brow gel. You really don't need this step because the Gimme Brow is kind of like a setter, but I don't know, I just do this. I feel like once I do the Anastasia clear brow gel, my brows are like complete. The best part is some highlighter. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going in first with the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle. I absolutely love this so much. It's so pretty. It gives such a natural glow. I use this kind of as like a, just like kind of base because I put one more thing on top of it. But if you are looking for just a natural, like sun-kissed glow, this is so for you. It's not over sparkly. It's just like a perfect, just, it's really, really, really pretty. I use the same Real Techniques setting brush that I set my concealer with. It's like a highlighter that doesn't really look like a highlighter. It just looks like you're glowing. And then I go in with my, oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is the Makeup Forever little pots, the Starlit powder in number 13. This is the best. I use it as my inner corner highlight and a little bit on my face too. I take another of the Real Techniques detailer brush. This is so perfect because it fits right in there, and I kind of grab a little bit and then I take the lid and I use that as like a little thing. I put just a little bit on my cheekbones, and then just a tiny bit on the bridge of the nose, and then under the brow is so good. Cupid's bow. My favorite part, inner corner. And I kind of bring it in a little bit and up, because that area tends to get real dark. And then, don't worry, I blend with the same brush. I am so late. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. For real. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Oh, real quick. I do just a quick. And then I just touch. I just touch my bottom lashes, like barely. I've been liking not that much mascara on the bottom. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, what? Okay. Just got mascara everywhere. Crap. Oh my god, what a mess. Where's that coming from? Alright, whatever. Okay, last step, all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray. Oh! That was like right in my mouth. Crap. Alright. Done. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go. This is my like everyday makeup. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for laughing with me or laughing at me. Either way, I hope you have a good day. Bye. And okay, so first I'm going to, okay, it's hard to not have my contacts up here. Okay. I hope you like my Christmas background. Kind of festive. Really festive. Okay. A really gorgeous. Woo! Crap. Oh no.